Before we create a post, okay, let me show you something. We needed to create this form after editing. Okay, what I mean is, let me click here. Let me say updated to. So once user click, boom, I needed to create this form. So how do we do this? Let me come here. Okay, let me come in up here. So here I can say this will create the form. All right, guys, so let me refresh this. So let me say how to install Django. So once I click, boom, you can see the update is done, but the form is also created. So the next thing to do here is to create a post. Since we have done editing of a post, creating a post is pretty simple. Okay, it's effortless task. So the button is present in app.js. okay, so let me come here. This is button. So here what I can do, let me click to trigger the form to open up. Okay, but what I can do here, here I can click. Okay, let me click. Description will also be empty, something like this. After that, article form. So then, what if I click this? Oh, the form is boom. Okay, the form, now we can see the form. So after that, if I click this, you can see here I have update and the content of post to update. But once I click create, you can see I can see the post form. So the next thing to do here is to handle the event of this post button. Okay, it is present in form, so we're going to open up form.js here. Okay, and our button is here. Okay, so here I can say on a click, instead of update article, I'll say insert article. Okay, then I'll need to create this function, but before, let me come here in API services. Okay, then I can copy this function. Okay, I can copy this. Oh, let me copy this. Let me paste it here. Okay, here it is not update article. Can say this is insert article, and this text body, it does not take the article ID. The method will change, no worry. Okay, the next thing, let me remove this. This is URL to post, but the method is not put, but the method is post. The content type, application, and blah blah blah, these are the same. So that's the only changes. Okay, let me Ctrl S to save the changes, and let me come here in form, insert article. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, this is pretty simple. So here it is not update article, I'll say this is insert article. Okay, and here is insert article, inserted information, and let me come here in app.js. Here we had const updated information, so let me create another. Let me say const articles, then I add or append the end of the present articles. So do something like this. Okay, should be something like this. Then after that, Blah 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 expected. Okay. Should be something like this. Okay, now we are good to go. So inserted information. So let me come here in form. We have updated information. So let me copy this and paste it here. I'll say this is inserted information. All right, guys. I hope it's cool. Inserted information, and here I can say inserted information. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Okay. I think nothing has remained. So let me see. So once I create a post, let me say to see what is happening. Okay. Let me come here. You can see Flask tutorial. But we cannot see, we cannot update. There's something wrong. There is something wrong. Okay, updated the inserted information, and it should be something like this. All right, guys, so let me try out. Oh wow, this is amazing. So let me try out to add another blog post. So I can say hi learn Python. Hi learn Python. Once I click a post, you can see hi Python. This is the channel for learning Python, and the form is cleared. Okay, so now we are done with update and insert. The next thing to do is to implement delete. And the delete is pretty much simple, as you can update and you can insert.